I'll cook up a solution with the knowledge I've accrued. They say a kitchen time saves 9, but I'm just saving 2. I've gathered the ingredients to make some thyme sorbet. There's hardly room for seconds when the seconds melt away. Watch as I work my gypsy magic. I add the newt and cinnamon. Watch as the matter turns to batter. Open the portal, jump in. Fruit stew, do you fear it? Apple bloom. Sometimes life is not a cakewalk served upon a silver spoon. Toss a fig and save the day, and bread and butter, chant and mutter, marination, incantation, chocolate icing, timeline splicing, yeast is rising, rectifying.
Pinky, if you're hearing this, it means we're dead and gone. Please don't bake a portal, just accept it and move on.
My cauldron is preheated and I've got you in my thrall. Let's beat these yolks and save my folks by baking the fourth wall. Watch as I work my gypsy magic, see pony tears and provolone. God help the outcast with her witchcraft, someday I'm gonna go home. Someday I'm gonna go home.